Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art of a black tree with leaves, and they want some of the leaves to be green and the trunk to be brown. Let's take this thing. My nudge factor is set on 5. I'm going to make a duplicate, move it over. I'm going to take this originally. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. And I'm going to contour the inside 0.01. What that did is it cut off some of our leaves. That might not be enough. I'll tell you what, let's back up. Let's go 0.02. That'll cut off some of our leaves from the contour. Now let's take it and go up to Object and break the contour apart. Let's go up to Object, break curve apart. Let's take our trunk and just delete it. Let's take all these leaves and let's make them green. Let's take away, it's actually going to make the leaves a little bit too small maybe. Let's right click no fill or no outline. Let's take this original and make it, laser engravers don't get to really work with colors too much, or the browns are way at the bottom. That doesn't look half bad. All the leaves are green in this one. I don't know really how I did it the first time. I must have contoured a little bit more. You can see I have a little bit of a brown, but some of them aren't. This time it's all, that's pretty good. I like it. I would change the brown to a different color of brown, but that looks pretty good. I think now all the leaves are green in this one. All we did is basically cover up the brown leaves with green leaves. And you could, if you didn't want all the leaves green, you could go through and sporadically, I guess, remove some of the greenery. Let's see what this looks like. So now you have some brown leaves and green leaves. I like it. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.